Hello lovely people, today we'll be making the top part of this lovely dress I made for my client, and it has an off-shoulder top using a wire on the deep V. For this project you need chitenge material, lining, scissors, a ruler, measuring tape, chalk. I also got this lovely trim. I really love the trim and it's nice. And you also need a V wire. I got this from a dress that I thrifted, so I actually don't even know the correct word. If you know where one can buy this, please let me know. I would love to have a lot of them. You need to measure from shoulder to start of bust. Basically, this is where the off shoulder should start from, and shoulder to mid bust, also shoulder to end bust. When you get these measurements correct, it will help you to achieve a very well fitted bustier top or boob tube. You also need shoulder to waist. You need to measure the nipple to nipple distance. My client's measurement was 3.5. I added 5 inches of 0.5 of allowance. It reached to 4 inches, and this measurement really helps you in making the darts, because when you put this, the darts will actually fall on that same line, unlike other garments that you see people put the darts way too close and some way far apart. So this is a distance that helps you to get the darts on point. So here I got the front part and traced it on the material. To get the back part, I also left an allowance of 1.5 inches, which is the zip allowance. So I will stitch the lining with the main material and the right sides facing each other. For the back part, that's how I put the fusible interface. Just on the top part, I don't iron the interface on the whole back piece, no. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a lot of videos planned, so you just have to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!